Hi again, it's Nick from the EOS Education team here at Boxlight, and I'm excited to share some more information with you to help you get the most out of your MimioPro G interactive flat panel. Today I actually want to talk about a dynamic tool called Multiwindow mode, which will allow you to move from the Android experience you're used to having into an experience that looks and feels more like a desktop or laptop experience for you. Now, in order to turn this feature on, we're going into our Apps drawer by swiping up from the center and selecting Settings. Now, from the list of some menus that are available to us, we're going to select Personal. And near the center of the menu that populates, we see Multi-Window mode. Now, once we turn this on, it does let us know that it will need to restart the panel, and that's perfectly fine. It will also need to restart in order to turn this feature off. So just keep that in mind and plan accordingly. Now we've turned off the panel. We're going to turn that panel back on. And we're going to give it a moment in order to start back up again. Now, the great feature of this panel is that it boots up incredibly fast. Now you'll notice once we've turned multi-window mode on that things open a little bit differently. So instead of opening in a full screen mode like they do when you're in the Android mode, selecting that option, it's now going to open in a smaller and floating window. So I can move that anywhere I want to on the panel. I also have the ability to lock that into place. I can either drag it into one of the corners until I see the blue box appear in a quadrant, or I can drag it left or right to the side, and it gives me a half screen locking option as well. So a number of different ways that I can now engage and control the content on the panel as I'm sharing that with others. A really rich tool that I hope you'll find helpful and definitely should feel familiar to you. Thanks.